If you're searching for a versatile kitchen gadget that can do it all, look no further than this GreenPan Elite 8-in-1 Programmable 6-Quart Electric Slow Cooker. This powerful, feature-packed slow cooker is designed to help you cook delicious, mouth-watering meals with minimal effort. From browning and sautéing to slow cooking, roasting, and even steaming, the GreenPan Elite multi-cooker is your one-stop solution for all your cooking needs. And with its PFAS-free ceramic nonstick coating, it's the healthy, eco-friendly choice for your family. In this review, we'll break down why the GreenPan Elite 8-in-1 is a must-have appliance, highlighting its top features, benefits, and why it's a game-changer in the world of slow cookers and multi-cookers. Why choose the GreenPan Elite 8-in-1 slow cooker? Number 1. Revolutionary Thermolon Volt Ceramic Nonstick Coating. One of the standout features of this cooker is the Thermolon Volt Ceramic Nonstick Coating. This advanced coating is designed to withstand the intense heat and pressure that modern appliances often endure. The diamond-infused ceramic surface is not only extra durable but also free from harmful chemicals like PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This means you can cook with peace of mind, knowing your meals are free from toxic substances. Number 2. Removable 6-Quart Hard-Anodized Pot. Perfect for family meals. The 6-quart capacity of this multi-cooker is ideal for preparing large meals for families or guests. Whether you're roasting a 5 to 6 pound pork shoulder, cooking up a batch of 8 to 10 chicken thighs, or making a delicious vegetable stew, this spacious pot can handle it all. The hard-anodized aluminum pot is extremely durable, heats up quickly and evenly, and can even withstand metal utensils, making it incredibly versatile. Plus, the removable pot is dishwasher safe, so cleaning up is effortless. Number 3. One-touch presets for effortless cooking. The GreenPan Elite Slow Cooker features 8 one-touch presets to make your cooking experience even easier. No more worrying about adjusting temperatures or timers. With the touch of a button, you can select from the following presets: slow cook, sauté, steam, simmer, buffet, proof, bake, reheat, warm. Number 4. In-pot browning, searing, and sautéing. Gone are the days of using separate pans for browning and searing. The GreenPan Elite 8-in-1 allows you to brown, sear, and sauté your ingredients directly in the pot before slow cooking. This feature maximizes flavor and saves time, as you don't have to transfer food between pots. The built-in sauté and browning functions make it easy to lock in juices and flavors, creating delicious dishes right from the start. Number 5. Built-in stainless steel steamer basket. In addition to its multi-cooking capabilities, the GreenPan Elite comes with a stainless steel steamer basket. Steam your favorite foods such as dumplings, vegetables, or fish right in the same pot. The steamer basket is designed for convenience and helps you prepare multiple dishes at once, all while maintaining the healthy properties of your ingredients. Number 6. Easy-to-read LCD display with XL green backlit screen. With the GreenPan Elite, you'll never struggle to find the right setting. The XL backlit LCD display is designed for ease of use, with large, readable buttons and clear presets that make navigating through functions a breeze. Whether you're selecting a cooking mode or adjusting the timer, you'll enjoy a stress-free cooking experience with this intuitive display. Number 7. Tempered glass lid. Watch your meal develop. The tempered glass lid allows you to keep an eye on your meal without losing heat or moisture. It's the perfect way to monitor the progress of your food while keeping everything sealed inside. The lid is also durable, easy to clean, and fits securely to prevent spills. Number 8. Toxin-free cooking for healthier meals. The GreenPan Elite 8-in-1 is designed with your health in mind. With its PFAS-free ceramic nonstick coating, you can rest easy, knowing that no harmful chemicals are leaching into your food. This makes it an ideal choice for families looking for a safe, non-toxic cooking solution. Number 9. Dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. After cooking a delicious meal, the last thing you want to do is spend hours cleaning up. Luckily, the GreenPan Elite is designed for easy cleanup. The pot, lid, and steamer are all dishwasher safe, making post-meal cleanup quick and easy. Just pop them in the dishwasher, and you're done. Is the GreenPan Elite 8-in-1 Programmable Slow Cooker worth it? If you're looking for a multifunctional, healthy, and efficient cooking appliance, the GreenPan Elite 8-in-1 Programmable 6-Quart Electric Slow Cooker is a must-have in your kitchen. With its PFAS-free ceramic nonstick coating, removable hard-anodized pot, and 8 one-touch presets, this cooker is a dream for anyone who loves to cook healthy, flavorful meals with minimal effort.